Okay, it's November 2nd, Thursday, and this is part 3, the final, if you will, of the septic. So here's the deck out front. I'm wondering if the sun is going. That's the view, though, basically. And here we go. Alright. Go down to the garage part, which was part of it. And I got my log splitter. Jake. Actually a washing machine that still works. And a refrigerator that still works. Just a log splitter. And there's the plow for the Jeep. And I got a little bit of wood. I'm getting a delivery. That's about not even a half a cord. But anyway, now got the stone in here. It's fixed. So that's that. And as you can see here, the electric's piped up. Goes up that way towards the shed. And the sun is not in a great spot, but they seeded it, put some hay on it. So it's all good. That's going to be the back of the future garage. So the pipe is coming out there. And then that's the generator. I got to build a little thing for that. Propane tank. Okay. And as you can see, all this hay is, they seeded it, leveled it, put a drip drain in here, so when the water comes up off the roof, it goes away from the cabin. There's the vent pipe for the septic. This is where the hole was. And the drip pipe comes all the way out to here. Probably see it. And that's the side. I gotta reinforce that box. And there's the 4x4 that I'm gonna do that with. I want to put another brace there because that stuff's heavy. And that's that. So as the leaves begin to fall, I'll be able to see my 7 acres. Jake likes it up here. So do I. Alright, come on. Jake, come. What a good boy. What a good boy. Okay. There you go. It's about, I don't know, 35, but it's warm. I don't know. Go figure, right? And then here's the markings. Because the meter is going to get moved over here because the cabin's going to go out 30 feet next year. Right, Chrissy? Next year. Anyway, there's the markings down to the garage. The present day garage, which ultimately will be a barn. And as you know, the shed is going to be a chicken coop. So, that's that. It's the Jeepy. And that's part 3. That's the end of the septic. And I'll keep a video going of part 1 of the garage. Alright, until next time, God bless.